The best maintenance a homeowner can do, preventative maintenance, keep your system running good and in check. Twice a year, once in the fall, once in the spring. I'll take you step by step how to get to this point and reassemble it. So on all air conditioners, you're going to have 4 wires usually. Some of them have 3. Alright, so one of these is going to be your common, and the other 2 is going to go to your capacitor. Alright, and you get 110 from your common, and then you get the other 110 through where one of them goes into your capacitor back through to the fan motor on the start winding. And it don't matter when you go to plug them back up, as long as you get your common right, and the other one goes to your fan relay. This right here, hold up, I'll be right back with you. This right here is what you buy any heat and air warehouse will sell it to you. It's about $25. It's aluminum acid type stuff. It'll produce a lot of heat, but this right here is what outcome, and you can feel the heat. I mean, it's hot, right? And just fair warning, it will burn you if you get it on your skin. You see, I was wearing gloves to make sure, but it boils all your dirt and grime out, and it does a fabulous job. So I'm gonna get this rinsed out, and I'll pull y'all back when we get done rinsing it for reassembly. As you can see, as I'm washing, you can see the difference. I always like to blow from the inside out. That way, that's how the debris enters from the opposite way, so that way it can leave in the same direction it enters. We ain't trying to blow it through a coil, but it's just as much as just pushing it back out of it. And this will most definitely increase your efficiency, increase the life of your sprinkler unit, and we're talking, for a compressor, you're looking at $3,000 to $5,000 depending on where you're at. And usually with a compressor, you would have to flush your lines and all that good stuff. And if it's an odor system on R22, we don't even talk about that. That's for a later video, but this 410A, you just want to keep your system clean. For the efficiency, for your power bill, for the life of your unit, and for you staying cool and not having to pay $150 service call for somebody to come out here and do it for you. Or if you do, you let me know. Y'all can do it that way. Just make sure you get on a preventative maintenance schedule. That way it does get done twice a year. But I'm going to finish getting this cleaned up, and I'll be back with y'all. Alright, I'm back with y'all now. I might note that this is your electrical panel. So this is your line voltage coming in. I don't know why it's wired like that, but whatever. When it should have just been ran directly to its contactor. 24 volts this wire, and this wire is your hot and common. You'll get 24 volts from your transformer, and when it gets 24 volts in that coil, it'll pull that in and make the connection from here to there and bring on their unit. This right here is your defrost control board, because if you look down here, you see that tells you it's a heat pump. It's a reversing valve. It's your pressure sensor. This right here is called THV, and that's the bulb to it. Accumulator, and that's the compressor. These right here cost homeowners a fair bit of money. This is your your capacitors for the compressor. That's a hard start for the compressor. And defrost control board, and this is your capacitor for your fan motor, which we will be addressing. And then this wire right here dangling, that's our common. So we just need to take it, we're gonna plug it up. It don't matter which side, we just gotta make a side our common for the capacitor. Come over here to our fan motor, make sure it's clean, no play in the bearings. 3 wires. I'll have to set y'all down for a second. Alright, so I'll come back to our electrical panel. See that little slot right there? That's where you set your wires to. Remember, we got 3 wires. Alright, so what we're gonna do is this black wire, that's one of our hots. So it comes directly to our defrost control board right here on that relay. That's the defrost control relay, fan relay. Alright, and then remember I said you got 2 wires here. It does not matter which orientation they go. So we're going to put one on this side right here, because that's our common. And then one on the other side. And a little note, not only does the capacitor give a motor a jump start, a kick in the butt, but a lot of people don't know it, but it also gives it the sense of direction. It will tell that motor which way to spin. And that's all that is. That's all there is to it right there. Ba-boom, ba-boom. And we're good to go. You can jump these 2 pins right here out and put it in defrost mode.